Hey guys, today I thought of making a quick holiday gift guide for all my foodies and home cooks out there, or anybody in your family that fits that criteria. Hopefully, if there are any of you out there who are scrambling to look for gifts for yourself or your loved ones, this will give you some bit of inspiration. So let's get started. So it'll mostly target people who are new to cooking and people who are pretty used to cooking at home and are looking to expand on their tool set. So the biggest and the best tool or workhorse in your kitchen would be a stainless steel pan such as this one. The best thing about this pan is that it can go directly from the stove right into the oven without any issues with damaging the pan, affecting the cook quality, nothing like that. It's great, super versatile, and all kitchens need a stainless steel pan. You can literally make so many things on this one pan, and this has been my oldest pan in my entire collection. I used to use this 24/7 in every single dish that I made because you can really do so much with it. It's great for saute, great for searing, great for making sauce, great for one-pot recipes that go directly in the oven. Some examples of dishes that I love cooking on this pan is an orzo shrimp curry or my one-pot chicken and rice. And it's just great. It's so convenient, and you can even use a nifty lid to really make so much out of this one pan. Now, if you have a stainless steel pan, you definitely also need a non-stick pan. Now, there are so many kinds of non-stick pans out there, from $10 ones all the way to hundreds of dollars. Now, the one I'm recommending is right there in the middle. It's not too expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. But with the price comes quality. So the ones that I'm recommending is the Madura set. Now, this came with two pans actually. One is an 8-inch pan, which is great for omelets, and the other one is for saute. Now, out of these two, I use this the most. If you guys have been seeing my stories on Instagram, most of my breakfasts are made on this one pan, which is awesome because I can really make a lot of different kinds of dishes. This has kind of replaced my stainless steel pan actually for my go-to saute pan because you don't need that much oil. I never have to worry about anything sticking onto here. Like, I literally make egg white omelets, just pure egg whites, which are notorious for being extra sticky compared to if you make eggs with a yolk, because the yolk has a bit of fat. And you can make a ton of egg whites into an omelet without the use of oil in this pan. And the company also claims that you can use stainless steel utensils on that pan. I try to avoid doing that because you really don't want to scratch that up. Because once that gets scratched up, the dominoes just don't stop falling. So usually you get these two pans as a set, and the best deal you can get is directly from Zwilling.ca. Don't go to Amazon, don't go to any retailer. The best price is always at Zwilling, at least in Canada. I got these for just under $200, which is a great value for a quality product such as this one. Okay, so these two pans will set you up for so many dishes along the way. Now, if you or your loved ones already are set with their favorite pans, they don't want to part ways with their favorite pans, then you can really give them some other little knickknacks in the kitchen which can really make the cooking experience more pleasurable. So all I mean by something that's nice to have is something like this pepper mill here. Now, this is from Creuset, and it comes in these beautiful colors because it's ceramic on the outside, and with ceramic you can really dye it different types of colors, and it just looks beautiful. And what I really love about it is it really adds that pop of color into your kitchen. So it really gets you excited to use it every time you hold something that's as beautiful as this. And this makes for a great gift for anybody who loves to cook or who's getting into cooking, to really inspire them. I got this as a gift and I really love it and cherish it, and it's awesome. Now, when it comes to ceramic, you can have so many different kinds of beautiful little gifts, like this one here, Like this is a salt holder by, I want to drop that. This is a salt holder by Staub, and it's great to have. I used to have my salt tucked away in my cupboard, and I never thought of something like this. Now you can always put in a bowl, but what it comes with is a nice, cute little lid. This is a cocotte style because it's from Staub, and I find it really convenient to just have right next to you while you're cooking, so you can really easily just reach in, season your food, and you're good to go. You never have to look around to find salt, because seasoning and salt is the most important part when it comes to cooking. Now another nice to have thing, and this is again from Staub, is a spoon rest. Now spoon rest may seem fancy, overblown, overhyped, and something that's completely unnecessary. But once you've owned it, I thought the same way earlier on, by the way, but once you've owned it, you never stop using it, and you always think that, wow, this is kind of genius. Like, it may seem like a first world problem, but with the spoon rest, you never have to put your wooden spoon covered with turmeric or sauce directly on your countertop. So no more staining, no more excessive cleaning. And even though I use paper towels sometimes, before I had this on the counter, it would always seep through, and there was always some sort of cleanup I would have to do. Now, because this is ceramic, you can get lots of colors, but also it makes it very easy to clean. So anything that gets dried on it, or anything that gets stained on it, can easily just wash. Now, we talked about some beautiful non-stick pans earlier on, and to help protect those pans, you need some great tools. And you can never go wrong by getting something like a spatula, a silicone spatula. Now, spatulas are great if you're a baker, if you like to cook, if you have lots of non-stick pans. Spatulas are always great, and I think you can never have too many spatulas. There's so many different sizes you can get, different colors, and again, it just adds to that pop of color in your kitchen, and it's always nice to have that because there are so many uses to it when you're baking, to really mop that batter up, really clean those sides, and for cakes, for cookies. When it's cooking, you can really tackle those delicate dishes with a dainty little spatula like this one, and it can really help protect those beautiful non-stick pans, so you can really use it for a long time ahead. Now, this particular one is from Zwilling, and it has this beautiful metal band that goes all throughout the handle, so you really know that this is a strong, sturdy product, and it's great to have. It's not too expensive. I always shop on sale, and Zwilling always has some sort of great sale going on, and I always jump on them whenever I can. Now, my second most favorite utensil in the kitchen is a fish spatula. Now, this thing is used for almost everything except fish, because most of the times I bake my fish. Now, what's great about this is it's thin, it's sleek, and it's metal. So you can easily slide under anything and scrape anything and lift up like feathers. So if you're flipping burgers, or if you're searing a chicken, or even making pancakes, these things are great to really get that flip right. Protect those pancakes from breaking when you flip. Protect that beautiful sear that you worked so hard towards, and really, this tool is gonna save your life so many times when you're in a sticky situation, because it has done that for me quite a number of times. Now finally, I want to talk to you about microplanes. Microplanes are awesome. I have these two at the moment, and they have completely different uses. Now before this, I used to use a box grater. Well, the box grater is great for something like grated cheese like cheddar or mozzarella or anything that's soft, but for hard cheeses, even the box cutter is not the best thing, because you can never really get that fine grated texture. Now what's great about a microplane is you can really super finely grate hard cheeses like grana padano or parmesan very easily, and the texture would be such it's going to melt in your mouth, and it's going to be beautiful in any pasta dish. And it's again a nice to have, which makes it great for a gift. These are things that are awesome. You look at the store shelves and you see it, but because you don't need it, you don't get it. It's the holidays, so anybody who you think would love and appreciate these gifts, it's the time to gift something that they would want to have rather than what they need to have. To finish this off, this quick little guide, you want to get some cookbooks. And I'm going to just share two of my favorite cookbooks, which really is modeled after two of my favorite food types, pizzas and burgers. Now these are the two books that I would recommend, which is beginner friendly and it's full, literally full of delicious recipes. This is all about pizzas, this is all about burgers, and I'm sad. And the great thing about it is you learn lots of little basic skills, which is great for anybody who's getting started into the world of cooking and anybody who wants to really expand their skill set. So if you're getting all these tools, you want to get yourself or anybody that you're gifting these to excited about cooking. And there's nothing more special and personal than a cookbook. Go and pick a book with cuisines that your loved ones would love the most, and it'll make for a great gift, and it'll be a bang for your buck because you'll be treated with some great food in the new year. Alright, so that's it for my quick little holiday guide. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, let me know so in the comment section down below, and let me know what you end up getting for your loved ones or for yourself. Give this video a big like, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video, and happy holidays, and you go and have a great time. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.